Jesus says, who do you call my family? These ones that are around, these ones who are walking with me, are fasting with me, are here with me. These are my family, not the ones you are saying is born by blood and flesh. So the greatest tragedy is we come to church and we hear a message and then go back home the same, and we miss heaven. Because surely at a time, the time will come when the trumpet will sound. And we need to have been found in the right place. Amen. The moment the trumpet sounds, it's not time for us to be preparing, trying to get ready to say, oh, now Christ is coming. Okay, can we get ready now? Get ready. Heaven is here. By that time, it's too late. The story about the 10 girls who were then labeled 5 wise, 5 foolish. The reason why there was a demarcation was not because they didn't have oil, was not because they didn't prepare. They all did. Someone is looking at me saying, girl, what are you talking about? Okay, they were 10 girls, right? And with the 10 girls, they were preparing to say, the groom is coming, our husband is coming. This so-and-so, like myself, I'll be like, 12th October, come 12th October. Yeah? Everyone, anywhere I'm going, anyone who asks me, even if it's not related, I'll just say 12th October. Because that's the date that I have in mind. The groom is coming. Yes? Yes. Okay. So now, we are together and we are all together, my girls, and we're saying the groom is coming 12th October. So then 12th October comes. We wake up early in the morning. We do our makeup as we always do, or mess up in other cases. But either way, we make up, we put on the finest clothes. And then, now these girls, the Bible says, they then carried their lamps, each and every one, because the groom is coming. So all the girls in their stilettos carried their lamps, saying, we are waiting for the groom, we are waiting for the groom, he's coming. Amen? There is a problem though, because the groom gets delayed. Imagine my groom is coming from Plymouth. So along the way, then maybe there's an accident in the motorway. I'm just saying, God forbid it will not happen. But for this instance, let's say, think about it. There's an accident in the motorway, and he gets delayed. Now, as the ladies are thinking, this groom said he will be here 1 p.m. Where is he still? The groom is nowhere to be found. And imagine in the olden days, they didn't have the cell phones that we have now, where we can just say, Snapchat, ping it, whatever. Are you there? I'm here. No, there's been a motorway. There's been a crash in the motorway. So I'm kind of running late. There was none of that. So they had to go by the word of mouth, or they had to run. If they want a message to be delivered, say mom sends me a message to go tell him, then I go around, this is what she said, so. And then he goes, oh, can you tell him I'll be 10 minutes late? So then now I have to run back again to him. He says, so. He said you'll be 10 minutes late. And it's probably taken me 20 minutes to get to where she is. So the mode of communication those days was not as good. So then our groom, back to our groom, he's running late in Plymouth, right? So as our girls, we are thinking, now we've had enough. Enough is enough, girls, let's sleep. And the Bible actually says all the girls slept. All of us, 1, 2, 3, 10, we all slept. Because the groom is running late. And he hasn't told us why he's running late. So let us sleep. So now, it's now dark. We switch off air. By the way, I think this setting was in Africa, because in England there'd be electricity. For the purposes, let's say there is Plymouth in Nigeria, okay? For the purposes of our message. Praise the Lord. Zimbabwe, we have electricity. So right, okay, so we are in the evening, and the groom is late, right? So we all decide to switch off our lamps because there is no electricity. So we switch off our lamps and we all sleep and relax. Towards midnight, we hear, "Boo, boo, boo! The groom is here, the trumpet is sounding, the trumpet is sounding." Everyone is like, he's here, he's finally here. Girl, give me some lipstick, let me top up, let me top up. So now these girls are waking up. But remember, now it's pitch black. Exactly, because we're in Africa, it gets really dark. And you can't see your next foot. So then they gather, now here's where the demarcation goes. There is now 5 who are saying, it's okay, we can still powder up because I've got extra oil in my lamp. So they take their extra oil, they put it in a lamp, they switch on and they start to see and they can make up to get ready for the groom who's about to come in the house. Now there's other 5 ladies. The other 5 ladies, they took their lamps, they had taken just the oil that was in the lamp. But because the groom delayed, now their oil ran out and they had no more extra oil. So then they start saying to these 5 girls, "Please borrow us some of your oil." You know how we do it in Africa, borrow us. You understand it well, don't worry. Or lend us. That's what we mean when we say borrow us. But 9 times out of 10, it doesn't come back. So you give with the mindset that, okay, I'm giving you forever. Yeah. So these other girls then says, "No, we can't give you our extra oil because if we give you, we won't have enough for ourselves. So you have to run into the marketplace to go find the extra oil." Praise the Lord. So these other girls then say, "Okay, fine, because groom is here, let's run to the market, let's go try find extra oil." But then there's the 5 wise ones. Now this is why they are called wise, because they carried extra oil. And the groom is not waiting. Remember, he's been stuck in an accident in the motorway, coming all the way from Plymouth to Nigeria. So he's tired. He just wants to get into the house and do the ceremony, and that's it. So he comes in. The moment he comes in, the Bible says that he closes the gates. And yet there's other 5 girls who have run to the marketplace to go look for extra oil. But the groom has closed the gates. So this is where the demarcation was. Why they were called 5 wise girls and 5 foolish girls. Why? Because in the midst of the preparation, some of the girls carried extra oil, and the others, they just thought what they had was enough. So we come to church, especially, I'll use my example. Me, I was born in church, I was raised in church. It would be a tragedy for me to think because I was born and I went to Sunday school and I lived my youth in church, that's enough for me. That's all the word of God I need to know. All that I heard from pastor preaching is enough. That will be the greatest tragedy. Because I would have needed to realize that along the way, life happens. Wow. Okay, maybe life doesn't happen to you. To me, it did. Or it continues to do. Why? I remember at a certain point, I wrote examinations. And then I thought, I've given it my all. And it was physics. I will admit it was physics. And then they're coming back, they're saying, sorry, you have to retake. And then I say, with this God, I believe, with this God, I go proudly in the exam room, say, quoting all kinds of scriptures. I'm the head and not the tail, above and not beneath. My God will do exceedingly abundantly. What can go wrong in this exam? I've got more scriptures than physics in my head. So by the time I come out of the exam room, I have to go and do another retake. Because life happened and it wasn't my talent. Praise God, because now I'm a preacher, so at least I can talk about this and say, that one wasn't my department. Life happens along the way. Wow. I Okay, I'll share with you. I was talking about how I was preparing to go for missions, and I did go to Zimbabwe. So then I arrived there, and then my brother was supposed to meet me, but then he got delayed because he works in South Africa. He got delayed by work, so he couldn't. So I was like, brother, I love you, but if I have to wait for you to do the things I'm supposed to, because we're supposed to organize for a conference and then go to the road, I'm behind schedule as it is. So you stay with your car there in South Africa. Me, I'll get the next taxi that's there, whatever, combis, whatever, and I'll do my business. So I remember coming out of the bus, and then I'm walking. Then someone shouts to me, Tessa, Tessa. And it's so strange because you think, I haven't really told anyone that I'm coming. No one knows. I'm not even scheduled to be here. Conference is not on until a week later. So no one knows that I've arrived. So who can be calling my name? So then she runs to me. And this girl looks so ragged. Like, wow, God forgive me. But my God, I was like, who's this? She looks so worn out. I don't know whether it was weave or I can't describe what was in the hair. And then the clothes are torn out. She's not even wearing proper coverage for her ladies. I'm thinking, okay. So I wait and I smile because, that's what we do. We love people as they are. So I wait, I smile, I'm like, hey, how are you? And then she goes, Tessa, 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 it's me. I'm like, oh, bless the Lord. Who's me? Remind me the name again. I can't remember. She goes, it's Mahano, Tessa. Remember we went to secondary school together. We were neighbors right next to each other. Remember? There and then it hit me that life happened to her. It was because I remember this girl and we would be in the same classes together. And I remember she used to do every homework that was set. In fact, she would even come and help me at times. But I was just so fortunate that my parents were here. So after I finished schooling there, they immediately brought me over here. But for her, after she finished her education, she had no one else to bring her over. So they did the next best thing that you do. You get married, you have kids. Now she has 3 kids, my age. But if you look at her, you would think she's in her 40s, 50s. And now she had just a little stand. I said, where are you coming from? How did you see me? She goes, oh, I was selling, I was at my market. Let me come show you my store. And it's just a little blanket she's put beside the road and she's selling tomatoes. She's like, oh, I'm just looking for that the money she was looking for would be equivalent to be £1 in yes, it will be equivalent to £1. I just want this money so that I can buy some bread for my children and we can sleep tonight. It was not by her own choice that she ended up that way. And let me not think it's by, I'm so special that I ended up here. It's not. Life just happened. And at times to us, life just happens. And we need to recognize the fact that we are humans. So we can be on a high note. Coming out here, you hear your mother has passed away. Life just happens. And it knocks you off your feet. You lose some kind of balance. You have to grab something to try and stabilize and say, did this really just happen to me? So why they were called 5 foolish girls is because, yes, they had started well, but they failed to recognize that along the way, life can happen. Wow. So they never brought the extra oil, and the groom got delayed. And now they missed out on the biggest opportunity of their lives. So the parable Bible is teaching us that we always ought to live in the readiness that Christ can come at any moment. So to us, we ought to be wise to realize that yes, life can happen, but I would need to quickly get myself off the ground, dust off any little dust that's coming. That is, you know, when you fall on the ground, you get dust, you get all sorts of rubbish coming on you. But you need to quickly realize, let me stand up, let me dust off, let me start walking and progressing. Let me realize that I might be strong today, I might be the most anointed and powerful person. Amen. But if life happens, I need to still have an anchor. I still need to hold on. I still need to have somewhere where I can hold on to, which is Christ Jesus, the solid rock, our foundation, where we base our faith. Some theologians say oil in the Bible represents the Holy Spirit. So are we praying always in the Spirit? We might have done the prayer of repentance. We might have spoken in tongues and everything else, that all the signs that could have been performed. But after that was done, did you still realize in you that life can happen at any moment? So even though I've had a high, but I still need to keep going to my foundation, which is Christ Jesus. I still need to double check with, say, okay, I'm doing shifts, working. But after I've worked and I'm still so tired and my body is weary, but am I still making the effort to come back and say, thank you, God, for the gift of life. Thank you, God, for my family. Thank you for bringing me in this place, because life can happen at any moment. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. So, this was not even my message, but I will leave us with this. I really strongly feel that, you know, God is merciful. God is gracious. God is so good. But all we need to do is just to be bold enough to approach the throne of grace and say, God, this time I've missed it. I need the second dose of your anointing. I need the second dose of your grace. I've tried and tried. I remember the time I would go for job interviews, one after the other, and all of them, they will come back, denial. In fact, one of them even did me a favor and phoned me. They're like, Tessa, we loved you so much, and you are so qualified and you are perfect for this job. But it just so happened after you left, there came one with the same qualifications as you. But she had more experience, so we had to give the job to her. So we just called you as a courtesy. They are so nice, they'll call you with a courtesy to turn you down. So after life has happened, I needed to recognize that their no is not my God's no. I still needed to have held on to the promises of God to say, what He said will happen. Surely it will happen. It might delay today. It might take 10 years, 20 years to come. But surely at the appointed time, in His fullness of time, it will happen. Praise the Lord. I'll leave the time to our Reverend.